Hi class, I'm going to give us a quick tour of our course. So we will be meeting in person eventually, but just to give you a quick overview of our Canvas course. First, you always want to make sure that you update your notifications so that you get access to your announcements. So you want to come up here to account and click notifications. You can adjust your pronouns under profile if you wish. Besides that, right now this is in professor view, but I'll show you it in student view so you can kind of get a better sense of what it'll look like for you. So this is our home page, and you're going to access all of your assignments within modules. But first I'm going to show us the syllabus page. So our syllabus is going to be accessible here. You'll find the syllabus right here and then our schedule here. My office hours will be posted here. The times will change from this, but you will be able to join me during our student hours from this link. You'll also be linked to the one book that you need to buy by clicking on this, Trevor Noah, Born a Crime. The rest of our readings throughout the semester will be OER, meaning free educational resources, open educational resources. All of our assignments will be listed in order on our syllabus page, but the ones that are in future modules that we don't have access to are going to still be locked. You'll also go under announcements, and I will be posting weekly announcements to communicate with you and to remind you what you need to work on. Right now we only have our welcome one. Once you get into modules, you'll notice that you have course orientation modules to kind of look through. It has a lot of our campus resources as well as remote versions that you can access still. You also want to complete this guidelines for success and this get to know me at the bottom. They are very quick and simple assignments. The guidelines for success will just be reading through something and checking it off. The get to know me is a private assignment that I read through and get to kind of familiarize myself with you. Also, it's a great way to kind of test out, do you see your grades? Can you see where my feedback is so that we can make sure that you're getting all that feedback on future assignments that are bigger. As of right now, this is locked because it's saying you have to finish the prerequisites, which are essentially looking through each of these pages in course orientation. So make sure you look through all the pages in course orientation and it will immediately unlock week one afterwards, okay? And once you get access to week one, you're going to want to look through this information and materials before we come to our class on Thursday, okay? So when we join each other on Thursday, we're going to be discussing the topic readings and we will be addressing any questions that you have after reviewing this materials. But you'll notice that an assessment is due Wednesday night, and that is just a very simple, straightforward quiz testing you on this material, making sure that you read before we came to class. The class in general is going to follow a what is called a backwards design, where our hybrid portion or our online portion allows you to look through this information, take a quiz on Wednesday nights, and then on Thursday we're going to come together and talk about those materials, okay? So that's going to be the same throughout our whole semester. Besides that, we'll talk more on Thursday as well, but that'll be consistently what we're doing. Besides that, you want to go to grades and you can check your grades here under grades. And you can also throughout the semester predict what you're going to get in the class, right? By filling in this predicting score here. Let's say you only got a 5 there, and then you can scroll down and look at your grade. 75% if you know, with those 3 things in the way I predicted it, okay? So you can play around with it and you can see, you know, what you might end up with. We also have this Net Tutor available, which is an online support tool outside of our Academic Success Center. You will receive extra credit on essays if you get a tutor to review your materials. So you can either use Net Tutor or our Academic Success Center, which there is information in our course orientation module on how to sign up for that. So besides that, we also have an embedded tutor throughout our course, and so her information will be made accessible under Syllabus along with mine too. So I just wanted to kind of give you a general sense of how it's going to be laid out. When in doubt, go to the Syllabus. You can find all our assignments listed under Syllabus. You can also find all our assignments listed under grades, and you can see in-depth feedback on essays by clicking on the title of the assignment, which so by clicking on essay 1 and then clicking on the next step. Right now it's still locked under student view. Besides that, I am here to support you in whatever way I can, so do not hesitate to reach out with any questions, whether about Canvas or an assignment throughout the semester. I'm here for you. Sorry about that motorcycle sound, it's so loud, but I'm here. So you can either email me or send me a message via inbox, and I will respond within 24 hours, okay? I look forward to getting to know you all throughout this semester.